Hey guys, it's London. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to put together a clarinet, how to make a noise with a clarinet, and what the parts of a clarinet are. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, as you can see in my hand, I have the bow. Now, this goes at the base of your bottom. So you can take, if you want this not to spread as loud, all you have to do is you can shut your door, take this off, and the sound won't spread through the house. So if you don't want to annoy your sister, then do that. So you have this at the bottom. Then you have the lower joint. Now, with the lower joint, this goes on top of the bow. It doesn't matter where, but I prefer it. It doesn't make a difference, but I prefer it to that be faced to this bit. So I'm just going to put it on. Then you have the upper joint. And if you don't want this to break, all you've got to do, you've got to press this and make sure it's the right way, and you put it on. And this here and this needs to connect. So I almost dropped it. So I'm just going to press it. And stick it together. So it's like that. Then you have the barrel. Now, so you have it the fatter end of the barrel, and you could just put it on top like that. Then finally you have the mouthpiece. But before you put the mouthpiece on, there is another part which I dropped. So you have the reed. Now it comes in a case. You're going to pop it out like so. Then you take the cap off. As you can see, this is called the ligature. You're going to undo it. And you're going to undo it. You can see. So it comes like that. Then you're going to get your piece. And as you can see, so you put it, the fatter end is at the bottom. And you need to line it up like that. Then you're gonna, once it's like that, you're gonna put this, you're gonna put it on. And I'm gonna do that. Tighten it so it's nice and the reed won't come off when you're playing it. After you've done this, which I'm going to show you in a little bit, so you got that. Now you're going to get your clarinet, but so you see the back, you're going to place it right there. Otherwise, when you do it, you're going to have to be all like that. So, yeah. Then you have your clarinet. So now that you know how to put it together and what the parts are, I'm going to show you how to make a noise. So what you've got to do, so you're going to have your bottom lip, you've got to fold it in like that. Then you're going to glue this, and then you're going to get this, your clarinet's going to get you out. You're going to rest your lip on the reed like this, and then you got your Then you're going to get your 2 teeth and you're going to put the 2 teeth on the top on the mouthpiece, like this. So that is how you're going to do it. Then, a way to make a noise, I'm going to be showing you how to do the E note, the D note, the C note. So, to make a noise, to do the E note, you just do this. You hold down this one, you go. No. And then you hold down this D, and then you're going to do this. Same. And then, that's the D note. Then for the C note, you're just going to place your finger on top. And that's how you do the C note, the D note, and the E note. I hope you guys enjoy, and subscribe, like, and press the notification so you can be updated when I upload again. Bye!